Good evening, Mehak. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Okay, we will start. So today we're going to discuss the concept of again average, some advanced topic. Okay, let me give you the time that we will start and give your answers as soon as possible. Yes. Right, the average of 5 positive integers is 436. The average of first two numbers is given and the last two numbers is given. This is basic one. 5 positive integers. If we take five positive integers is A, B, C, D, E. Let's take 5 numbers. Okay. So this 5 numbers average is 436 means 5 into 436. In this 5 now they are going to split into two parts. One is first two numbers. The first two numbers average is 344. So 344 into only for two numbers. And the average of last two numbers is 554. So last two numbers is 554 into 2. So in between that there will be a one number. What is that number? What is the third number? See, that's what the question. Okay. So 436 into 5. Use the shortcuts and get the answer. 2. Half of 4 is 2. 3 take 2. Previous number 2. Half of 2 is 1. Remainder 1. 16. 8. Add 1. 0. That's it. 344 into 2. 688 plus x plus 1108. Correct? That's it. So find the x value. That's your answer. 384 is the right answer. Option B. Yes, very good. Let's move to the next question. Fast. Okay. So next one is, in a class there are 32 boys and 28 girls. The average age of boys is 14 years and average age of girls is 13 years. Here there is a two groups. Group 1 is boys and group 2 is girls. In boys, how many persons are there? Totally 32 boys are there and girls 28. Boys average age is 14 and girls average age is 13. So two groups, we need to combine that group and tell the total average. Okay, that is called weighted average. So we can process this in two ways. First way is formula. So weighted average formula is N1 A1 plus N2 A2 divided by N1 plus N2. This is first method. Okay, so N1 is numbers and A1 is age. So here you can use 32 into 14 plus 28 into 13 divided by total number of person is 32 plus 28, 60. If you solve this, you will get the answer 13.53. This is the right answer. So this is the first way of getting answer for this weighted average. Two groups or three groups. If we had three groups means we will take N3A3 plus N3. Okay, this is also. And the one more way we can get answer, that is alligation and mixtures method. Okay, so the alligation and mixture method is, listen, most of you need to understand that method, but even though I will try to explain this, already if you know allocation mixtures means it is very easy. Okay, average or price should be written in the top. Okay, quantity or number of students should be, number of persons should be written in the bottom. That's what the concept. Price, that means for 1 kg or 1 liter, 1 hour, how many kilometers traveled. Okay, one person's weight, one person's age, that's what write in the top. How many person, how many kg, how many liter, how many kilometer per hour. So those things should be written in the bottom. That's what the concept. So here, look at this. In top, I will write 13 years and 14 years. 13 is one average and 14 is one average. First write the smallest number, then write the highest number, because in between this 13 and 14 only our average will came. So from this itself we can identify that from 13 to 14 only one option is there. That's what the answer. Correct. Even though we will continue this. For 13 years, how many students are there? 28 girls. This is girls. And another one is boys. Okay. 14 years, how many boys are there? 32. That's it. Just solve this, you will get the answer. How to solve it? Look at this. Please listen carefully. Here, 13 and x. Which one is greater number? 13x. எது பெரிய number இது ரெண்டுல? We know that 13 ல 14 குள்ள தான average இருக்கும். Average should be from 13 to 14. So the greatest number will be x. So first write that. Okay. And then write 13. Okay. இது ரெண்டுக்கும் difference எடுங்க. Then compare 14 and x. இதுல எது பெரிய number? 14 is the biggest number and then x. Okay. Why we draw like x? Butterfly diagram nu solvom. Why we draw this butterfly diagram means for 13 and x I am going to take this 32. For 14 and x I am going to take 28. If you solve this, you will get the answer. How to solve? Just cross multiplication, you will get the answer. 28 into x minus 13. Okay, or else for your convenience you can solve this. Okay, so 13 is nothing but 16. 28 is 14. 16 and 14, 7 times, 8 times. Correct? Ipo pannunga. 7 and here it will be 8 into 14 minus x. Correct? So if you solve this, again you will get the same answer, 13.53. Clear? ஆனால் நம்ம இங்கே கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம் 13க்கு 14க்கு இடையில தான் ஆவரேஜ் வரும். So this is the answer. You can check using that. Okay, so everything is very easy. Just go for the next question. Let's start. Give your answers fast. Anybody got answer? Okay, let me explain this question. Here, first of all, make a diagram. Okay, the average age of a class of 65 boys. Total class is 65. Average age is 40. Okay, this is the common. In this, we have split it into some groups. Okay, look at this first group at 20. Out of 65, 20 students age is 14 and 15 students age is 12. And what is the remaining students totally? That is 65. 20 plus 15 is 35. Remaining is 30 students. Remaining 30 students average age is what? That's what the question. Okay, if you want to find the answer, use the formula. That's what the easiest way. Only two concept is given. Two split up is given means we can go for alligation and mixtures. If more than that means you can use the formula itself. Okay. See what is our formula? Average is equal to N1A1 plus N2A2 divided by N1 plus N2. But here we had three groups. So N3A3, N3A3, oh my gosh, plus N3. Then a formula. Average, what is the average? Exact average is 14. So overall class average is 14. N1 is 20 into 14 plus N2 is 15 into 12 plus N3 is 30 into X divided by total number of students is 65. Solve pannina, you will get the answer. Okay. So answer is 15. Okay, solve panano faster. So 14 into 2 28, 280. Correct? So 15 into 12. What is 15 into 12? 120 plus 60, 180. Correct? So here it is 30x. So just take the 65 inge poiruma. So remaining add the numbers and find x value. Clear? So this is the easiest way. You need to do it fast. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Just try this. Start. Okay, so the average weight of 20 students in a class is 44 kg and that of the remaining 10 students is 38. Find the average weight of all the students. Super, Mehak. Gowning. Answer is the average weight of 20 students in a class is 44 and that of the remaining 10 students is 38. Find the average weight of all the students. So you can use two things, either use the butterfly method or the formula. Okay, 20 students is 44 kg, 38. So 38 first எழுதிக்கிறேன் and இங்க வந்து 44. 38 kg with only 10 students and 44 is 20 students. We need to find x. Take the ratio, that is 1:2. Correct? X minus 38 divided by 44 minus x is equal to 38x is 2 and here 1. So x minus 38 is equal to 2 into 44 minus x. So x minus 38 is equal to 88 minus x. Sorry, 2x. It's 2x. So So in the plus 6 அங்க போனா minus 6 ஆயிருமா, let அது இங்க வந்துருச்சுன்னு வெச்சுக்கோங்களேன், minus 2x plus, so 3x is equal to 88, என்ன வரும் 88 minus 38 போனா plus 38, கரெக்டா, 8 8 16, then 10 11 12 126 126, so 3 table divide பண்ணீங்கன்னா என்ன வரும், in 12 we had 4 3s and 6 வந்து 2, 42 is the right answer, correct? That's it. Okay, just do the next problem. Super problem. I'll give you extra time, but இதை வந்து ஒரு 5 to 10 seconds complete பண்ண முடியும். We can complete it in 5 to 10 seconds. Even though I'll give you 2 minutes time for this question, I want everyone should answer for this question. Recordings பார்க்குறவங்க, whenever you seeing this record, please try to give the answer, because I'm going to explain a super trick for this question. Just do this fast. Super Mehak. Okay, let me explain this question. See, listen guys. The average salary of the entire staff in an office is given 120. The average salary of officers, non-officers is given. Actually, if I draw a diagram, you can understand clearly, because what is the problem in this question means the average salary of the entire staff is rupees 120. That was given. It was split into two parts. One is officers, another one is non-officers. Correct? So officers salary is what? 460. Non-officers salary is 110. Inge officers 15% irukanga, but non-officers how many percents, that is not given. And total number of workers also not given. Idum kudukala. So ingiyum kudukala, ingiyum kudukala. Okay, we can take this x. Idu enna pannalam? 15 plus x nu vena eduthikalam. If you use the formula, you can use like this and get the answer. This is formula oriented concept. Okay, but if you use the alligation mixtures, you can get the answer within 20 or 30 seconds itself. So competitive exams ku prepare pandravanga, you can use this method for getting answer. Okay, see, please look at this, how easily we can get the answer. Okay, officers, let's take officers one side, non-officers other side. Officers salary is 460. 460 is an 1% salary. That's what we should write it in the top. How many persons are there? 15. That should be right here. Okay, non-officers salary is 110. We don't know how many persons are there. Okay, 15 வந்து நான் இங்க எழுதிக்கிறேன். Okay, last எழுதிக்கலாம் 15. Okay, right. See, Overall salary is, that is overall average is 120. So three things we got it: officers, non-officers, and overall staff salary. Everything is here. So just take the difference between 460 and 120. இதெல்லாம் அப்புறம் எழுதலாம். 460 and 120. What is the difference? 120, 100, 200, 300, 400, 460, 400, 340. 340 is the difference, and here 10 is the difference. Appo if 10 persons are officers means 340 persons are non-officers. Okay, if you take the ratio, okay, 1:34. இங்க ஒருத்தர் இருந்தா அங்க 34 பேர் இருப்பாங்க, இங்க ரெண்டு பேர் இருந்தாங்கன்னா அங்க 68 பேர் இருப்பாங்க. That's what the ratio. இப்ப சொல்லிட்டாங்க officers are 15 அப்படின்னு. ஓகே, அப்ப ஒருத்தருக்கு 34 பேர்னா 15 பேருக்கு என்ன வரும்? That's what the answer. One part is equal to 15. Okay, I need to find the 34 part. 34 x is equal to what? 34 into 15. இது மட்டும் தான் நீங்க பண்ண போறீங்க. Okay, so 34 into 15 is what? 510. That's what the right answer. See, if you're going to write the same content, okay, in formula means how you need to write. Look at this: 120 into 15 plus x is equal to 460 into 15 plus 110 into x. இதெல்லாம் நீங்க solve பண்ணாதான் you will get the answer. Okay, 3 multiplications, divisions, everything will come. But here just 34 into 15 is the only thing. Remaining are just a diagram. Purincha, I hope you guys understand this easiest way. Same concept, same method. Next question. Just try this. Then I will explain the concept. One second. I give you again 2 minutes. Let me see. Do it fast. Photoshop. Anybody got answer? Okay, let me explain this question. The average age of employees of a company is 40 years. 8 new persons with the average age of 30 years joined the company. The average of the entire company became 32 years. So as usual, draw the diagram first, plot the value next. Okay, the average age of employees of a company is 40 years. 8 new person with average age of 30 years joined with the company. So already 40 years is average. Now who is going to join? That is 30 years persons. Okay, now both are mingled. Already 40, now 30, now both are mingled. Now the entire company will become 32. Is it right? So this is the entire company's average. So 3 averages was given: old persons, new persons, and combined persons. Okay, that's it. Take the difference. 40 and 32 difference is 8. 30 and 32 difference is 2. If 2 persons means that other side 8%. Correct? So here they says that, see, this is old person, this is new person. Okay, new person is 8 new persons with average 30. So new person is 8. Look at this, here also 8, here also 8. 8 part is 80 means 2 part is 2. So the answer will be 2. Why should we take 2 minutes and still nobody got the answer? Look at this, how easy it is. But when the same question, if you try it in the weighted average formula, it takes much time. Unwantedly, we need to do all the multiplication, divisions, and etc. Okay, easier answer kandupidikona, this is the easiest way. Okay, right, same concept guys. One more problem, use the allocation method and get the answer. I give you all the tricks, everything, so please do it fast. Okay, so here we find everything. This 20 employees is total employees. Okay, total means this 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5 part. 5 part is equal to 20 employees. How many computer operators are there? Who is computer operator? Computer operators are 3000. The salary of, so this is computer operator. That is 3 part. 3 part is equal to what? Just cross multiply, you will get the answer. 20 into 3 divided by 5. 4 times 4 3s are 12. 12 is the right answer. Clear? I hope you guys understand this concept. Next, error correction method. Okay, just give your answer in 1 minute. I will reduce the time. Start, give your answer.
Okay, the average temperature for a week is noted as 32 degrees Celsius, but later it was realized that reading was taken as wrong, 30 degrees Celsius instead of 16 degrees Celsius for one day. So again, this question for everybody who are going to watch this video, so you can get the answer in two ways. Definitely I know that you guys will get the answer, but for this you can get the answer in two different ways. So always use the shortcut method. But first I will explain the traditional method. Look at this. Actually 32 degrees Celsius for a week. That means for 7 days it is 32. Each day is 32, 32, 32, right? So what is 32 into 7? 224. Correct? Now, one day was taken wrongly, okay, as 30 instead of 16. அப்ப இதுல எது correct? 16 எடுத்துக்கணும். But they are wrongly taken what? 30 degrees Celsius. This was wrong. So 14 degrees Celsius was taken extra. Okay, நம்ம இத என்ன பண்ணணும்? 14 degrees Celsius I need to taken out from the total numbers. So இதிலிருந்து I am going to subtract 14 degree. Okay, the extra எடுத்ததை நான் வெளியே எடுத்துறேன். So what I will get? 210. So 210 is the sum. Actually this is sum, right? So subtract 210. I need to convert this again to average. So 210 divided by 7. What is that? 30 is the exact value. 30 degrees Celsius. Correct? இது பார்க்க ஈஸியா இருக்க மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும், but more than this we had a shortcut. So always try to get the answer using the shortcut. Let me explain the shortcut way of getting answer. Please listen. Total are 32 degrees Celsius. Okay, 16 is the right one, but they take 30. அதாவது 14 degrees Celsius they had taken extra. So I need to subtract this 14 degree. இங்க என்ன பண்ணோம்? We are subtracting this 14 degrees Celsius from the total sum. Sum ல இருந்து எடுத்துட்டோம் இல்லையா? ஏன் அதுல இருந்து எடுக்கிறீங்க? Taken from the average itself. Now I'm going to subtract 14 from the average. But average means what? Exactly, average means equally distribution. Correct? Equally distribution. First class சொன்னேன். நேத்து தான் நினைக்கிறேன். Okay, equally distribution. So இந்த 14 நான் வெளியே எடுக்கணும், பட் உள்ள இருக்க எல்லாத்துக்கிட்ட இருந்து ஈக்குவலா எடுக்கணும். I need to take this 14 equally from all the persons inside that. So உள்ள எத்தனை பேர் இருக்காங்க? How many days are inside? 7 days. So I need to take this 14 equally from 7 person or 7 days. So ஒருத்தர்கிட்ட இருந்து 2 ரூபாய் தூக்குனா சரியா போயிருமா? So if I subtract 2 from the average, everybody will lost 2. கரெக்ட் தானே? So 32 minus 2 is 30 degrees Celsius. Actually பாருங்க ஒரே ஒரு ஸ்டெப் தான். We had done only one step. We got the answer instead of this. Okay, so if you understand the basic concept, it is very very easy. And next I'm going to give you one more sum. In that sum, this method will be very very easy because a decimal value we're going to using this trick and get the answer easily. But idhula poningana it will take too much of time. Okay, let's try the next problem and give your answer fast. I expect everybody should give the answer in comment box fast. Okay, yeah, Meher got the answer. Super, Meher. Let me explain this sum. See, the average weight of group of 50 girls was calculated as 58. Okay, it was later discovered that the weight of one of the girls was read as 45 kg, whereas her actual weight was 65. Her actual weight was 65. This is the right one. Okay, the wrong one mistakenly taken as 45. This is wrong. No. It was 65. Correct. So, how much they got less number? Nearly 20. 20 we need to add or subtract. We need to add because now we had taken only 45. But actual weight is 65. We need to add this 20. Okay, to how many girls? 50 girls. Okay, so I'm going to give the 20 to all the 50 girls. Okay, so how to give it? 20 should be equally distributed to all the 50 girls. So what will happen? 0.4. Correct? So 0.4 should be added to the average value. Already average value is 58. So 58.4 will be the answer. Correct? 58 plus 0.4. That's what the answer. 58.4. Right? So it's the easiest way. Okay. The last one, consecutive numbers. Okay. So directly I will give you 2 minutes time. Last 2 minutes time. Okay. Just everyone give your answer. இதுக்கு வந்து ஒரு 10 seconds போதும். I will explain at last. Okay, 2 minutes time for all the 4 questions. I will explain in one shot. Try this. Oh, fourth question தெரியல. Okay, just do the 3 questions. Leave the 4th question. Okay. Right, let me explain this question. Please listen. First of all, find the average of first 4 multiples of 5. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி what is mean by consecutive number? Consecutive number means next numbers. Okay, so a number which moved in equal difference. Okay, travel in equal difference is called consecutive number. Okay, just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a consecutive number. 2, 4, 6, 8 லாம் வந்து even consecutive number. 1, 3, 5, 7 are odd consecutive number. Tables எல்லாமே consecutive numbers. Let's take 3 table, 3, 6, 9, 12. Everything is moving in 3, 3, 3. So that is a consecutive number. Okay, look at this. Find the average of first 4 multiples of 5. Okay, first 4 multiples of 5 என்னங்க 5, then 10, then 15, then 20. If it is a consecutive number, middle number will be the average. இதெல்லாம் நீங்க ஆட் பண்ணனும் அவசியமே இல்லை. Don't add 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 divided by 4. Okay, middle number will be the average, that is 12.5. Simple. Okay, consecutive number nale middle number the average. Find the average of first 9 multiples of 3. So first 9 multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Correct? The middle number is 15, that is the answer. But don't do this. இதையுமே கொஞ்சம் ஸ்மார்ட்டா யோசிங்க. Just think at the smart way for getting answer. Find the average of first 9 multiples of 3. Okay, which is the middle number? Please tell me. I'm not asking this 15. Totally 9 numbers, right? Which number is the middlest number? So here I can split 4 number. Here I can split 4 number. Which number is the middle number? Fifth number is the middle number, correct? That should be the average too. Middlest number is the average, right? So fifth number is the average. Each number is traveling with the interval of 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. Each number is traveling with the interval of 3. So just multiply this 5 into 3. That's what your answer. 5 3s are 15. So you no need to use all these stuffs. Okay? It was moving with 3. Middle number is 5. So 3 into 5 will be the answer, 15. Is it clear? Easiest way. And next, the average of 4 consecutive odd number is 28. Find the largest number. The average of 4 consecutive odd number. I don't know the numbers. Students, don't take x plus 2, x plus 4. Why? Because they starting with sum of. If the question was started with sum of the even consecutive number, sum of odd consecutive number, sum of the consecutive number, okay, you can do that. But here average, you no need to write x format. Just write A, B, C, D. That is enough. The average of 4 consecutive odd numbers is 28. Average is what? Middle number is the average. Middle number 28 is soltaanga. Okay, appo idu enna varum? 29, this is 31, and this is 27, and this is 25. So highest number is 31, lowest number is 25. They are asking about 31, highest number. That's it. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoy this session. Okay, I'm going to give you a homework. In the question, enna answer varum appdin solli, I want your answer in the comment box. I will check. Okay. So idu konja different ah irukum. Just try this question and give answer in the comment box. Theriyala, you don't get the answer means just tell me that too. Okay, in comment box please tell me that I don't know or please explain. So theriyalanu sonningna na explain பண்ணுவேன். தெரிஞ்சதுனா answer சொல்லணும். Okay, so I expect you all to give you this answer for this because we had learned 2 days about this average. So try this too. Okay, so all the very best guys. Meet you again tomorrow. Okay, if it is possible. Tomorrow is Saturday. Anyway, just I will put a class for that. So all the very best. If you missed these classes, please try to see the recordings. Okay, it will help you. If you had any doubts, okay, if you want any free sessions or the all topics links, okay, I'll give you our materials. Or if you are trying to practice any of the exams like DNPSC, banking, SSC, okay, Mat GRE, so you can contact me. I'll help you however it is. So all the very best. Thank you. Take care and bye-bye.